Hey math kids, today we're going to talk about polynomial division. So the problem that's given looks like this. So we're going to use a similar algorithm to the long division algorithm that you used when you first learned how to divide. Alright, so what we need to do, we need to focus on this and this. We ask the question, what do we multiply this by to make this? And the answer is x cubed. Then we multiply that back to these two. So we get x to the fourth plus 3x cubed. And then we want to change the signs because we're subtracting. These cancel and none of these combine. So we just rewrite them how they are. Okay, that's the full algorithm. We just have to keep going through that. So x, to make this, needs to multiply by negative 3x squared. Multiply it back down. We change the signs. These cancel. These become 11x squared, and we bring down the negative 1. Okay, we want to make 11x squared, so we have to do 11x, multiply that back, and that's going to be plus 33x. These, change the signs. These cancel, so it's negative 33x minus 1. We want the x to turn into negative 33x, so that's negative 33. Multiply it back, negative 33x minus 99. And then we want to change the signs, so these cancel, and then this becomes 98. So 98 is the remainder. But the way that you do a remainder with polynomial long division is you take the remainder and you put it over this. So our final answer is all the stuff right there. Okay. Alright, let's try another one. Alright, so this one is 2x cubed minus x squared minus 13x minus 6. And x minus 3. So we set up our long division like this. X minus 3. Then we get 2x cubed minus x squared minus 13x minus 6. Alright, so we need to multiply by 2x squared, which gives us 2x cubed minus 6x squared. We want to change our signs. These cancel, and these become 5x squared minus 13x minus 6. These ones were able to combine, the others were not. Okay, we have to multiply by 5x. So we get that back, 15x. We change our signs. These cancel. This is 2x minus 6. This needs to multiply by 2. Multiply it back, 2x minus 6. We change the signs, and we have a remainder of 0, so that's actually our answer. Okay. It says carry out so the directions were carry out the division and hence factorize the numerator into linear factors. All right, so what we need to do next is it wants us to factor the numerator. All right. So we have 2x squared plus 5x plus 2. We're going to have to use box method. So we do a 4, 1 and 4, 2 and 2. Add these together to make that. 2x squared, 2x, 4x, factor out a 2x, factor out a 1, factor out an x, factor out a 2, and so this thing becomes 2x plus 1 times x plus 2, and then we just take our original x minus 3. So basically what it's telling us to do, or what we're saying is, if we multiplied this back out, we would get everything we started with on the top of the fraction, this. So this and this are the same thing. This is the factored form. This is the simplified form. Okay. Okay. So we're just going to do another one. Okay, so x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus x plus 1 divided by x squared minus x plus 1. Alright, so they're kind of acting like this is different, but it really is the same thing. Sometimes it's easier if you put a 0x squared in there too. I'll give you that hint, I guess. Just to kind of keep things straight sometimes. Okay, so we still focus on the first and the first, so we got to multiply that by x squared. Multiply it back, x squared minus x cubed plus x squared. Change all the signs. So that was supposed to be a 4. These cancel. These become 5x cubed. This is negative x squared, and then we just bring down the other stuff. Okay, this needs to be multiplied by x, or 5x. Multiply it back, 5x cubed minus 5x squared plus 5x. We want to change the signs. These cancel. These become 4x squared. This becomes negative 6x, and then we still have that plus 1. Okay. Now, we gotta go again. So it's a 4. 4 goes back through. Minus 4x plus 4. Change the signs. Cancel. Negative 2x minus 3. Okay. So with this one, it says find the quotient and remainder, and yeah, it's the same thing that they want on there. So the way that they want us to write it, though, they want us to write it as like 2 factors and then like the remainder. So it's just asking for it. I mean, like, it's just asking for it in a slightly different way. So the way they want us to write it, they want us to write the original, which is x to the 4th plus 4x cubed minus x plus 1 is equal to this thing multiplied by this thing, and then we just add the remainder. So if we were to multiply this out and then add this, we would end up getting this. So it just kind of shows the structure of what it was. But anyway, if you need additional help, come to Math Lab. Until then, calculator.